Hello everyone, welcome to Mandarin Point. I'm your friend Omar bin Hussain. In today's lesson, we will practice reading and listening Chinese language. This lesson is actually the continuity of our previous lesson where we have learned the new words and we have studied the new vocabulary. But in this section, we will actually read and listen Chinese paragraphs without pinyin at first stage, and in the next stage we will read and listen paragraphs with pinions, and then we will have translation. So let's start with our first paragraph. Here we have this paragraph, so we will read out first and we will try our best to identify those characters which we know at the moment, and then we will listen it. Okay, let's read it out. This underlining means that we have studied this character recently or in our previous lesson. Okay, I hope that you have recognized many of these characters like this, like this, like this. So all of those characters which we have recently studied, I hope that you have recognized those well. But let's listen it.
你很少生病，是不是喜欢运动？
是啊，我每天早上都要出去跑步。
你每天几点起床？
我每天6点起床。
Okay, now till now we have read it out and we have listened it as well. So now let's read it with pinions and listen it.
你很少生病，是不是喜欢运动？
是啊，我每天早上都要出去跑步。
你每天几点起床？
我每天6点起床。
Okay, now let's translate it. You very less fall ill is or is not like sports. So you fall ill very less. Don't you like sports? It is the literal meaning. But actually he wants to say that you seldom get sick. I guess you like doing sports, don't you? Yes. I every day morning go out to run. I go out for a jog every morning. You every day. Which time? Get up. So what time do you get up? I every day 6 o'clock get up. I get up at 6 o'clock every day. Now we have completed this paragraph. Now let's move towards the second paragraph and we will read it first. Okay, now let's listen it.
吃药了吗？现在身体怎么样？
吃了，现在好多了。
什么时候能出院？
医生说下个星期。
Okay, now let's read and listen it with pinions.
吃药了吗？现在身体怎么样？
Eat medicine. This la indicates the past tense. Ma is actually the question mark. So did you take your medicine? Medicine eaten? You know the literal meaning. Now health. How about? So how about your health now?
吃了，
Ate.
现在好多了。
Now much better.
什么时候能出院？
What time be able to go out to leave hospital? So when can you leave the hospital?
医生说下个星期。
Doctor told next week. So next week according to doctor. So that's all about our today's lesson. I hope you liked it. If so, please press the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in next class.